Upcycle my mom's old clothes, part 1. My mom gave me some shirts that didn't fit her anymore. Now I'm like, let me make some patchwork shirts I seen on Pinterest. So I just use my serger. If you don't have a serger, just use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. For the front, I was like, yeah, let me just freestyle this. And y'all cannot tell me this ain't cute. This is adorable. As for the back, I decided to serge 2 different lines and that was it. After I was done, I decided, you know what, I want to lettuce hem on the bottom of my shirt. I made sure to re-engage the knife so I could cut off the excess. Then with the lettuce hem, I was like, let me just sew my clothing label on there, and that's what I did. I made sure I changed the thread so it go with the shirt. And for the clothing label, t-shirts or stretchiness, please use a size 80 or 90 needle, because if you don't, then stitch quality will be whack and you don't want broken needles. And that's not fun. And here's the final results. I really love how the shirt turned out, but I am thinking about taking it in on the waist. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Part 2 should be coming out soon.